area of Ritchie is the constituency office of the minister. The constituency office is based in Ritchie. So Ritchie is very dear to the minister, but also all rural areas in South Africa. That's where the minister is. Obviously we focus in the metros, but your rural, I mean, because that is where those areas are neglected. Those on the margins of society tend to be populated in the rural parts, and they don't get the attention.
If you look at Eskom, we're in a company that's been around for a long time with communities. It's part of us to serve the communities. And, Ritchie itself, we've had a long relationship with Ritchie, reaching out specifically to children in this area, disadvantaged. And even our staff are very proud of being part of this community in that way.
So the minister, from the onset when she was deployed here by Parliament, she's made commitments to the people, and she's delivered on those commitments. One of the big commitments was that there's going to be a creche that's established in the area. That creche has been established. Today the ministry donated toys to the creche along with Eskom. One of the other commitments was that there will be a healthcare facility, particularly for learners, because one of the big challenges that the minister came across was that our learners, one of the impediments to their learning are the health issues, illnesses, eye problems, but what has happened is that they are unable to afford healthcare, to go to the doctor, to go to hospitals, to go to clinics. Clinics are also far away from where the people are. So the minister encouraged Eskom, based on also Eskom's responsibility to serve the communities within which they are basically operating. The communities and society can expect more from them, and that more means things like what they have done now, servicing the communities beyond just giving electricity, because they're in a state that is a developmental state. And so that's the context, because all of these projects, all of these initiatives on the part of our SOCs, and Eskom in particular, goes a long way in eradicating poverty, eradicating inequality, eradicating joblessness. And that's how we move towards that agenda of government, is radical socio-economic transformation, emphasizing and ensuring that our people, the majority of whom are black, are also having access to the same facilities to realize their potential the way in which others have also been able to realize their potential. So that's where we are getting here. And I think Minister's other message is that within the negative context, particularly negative portrayal and narrative around Eskom in the media space, that Eskom has a good story to tell. Eskom are delivering these type of services, primary health care, bursaries to young people as well. We've been going all across the country.
Eskom is really reaching out to people, to kids for more so. If you look at our program, we're really focusing on the kids. And as Eskom, we know the kids are the future of this country.
For more stories like these, go to www.social-tv.co.za, subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on our social mediums.